Take a stroll with Mother Nature. As organic garden owner, Miss Cynthia Tizon talks about anything and everything about plants and how it can beautify your surroundings. Sanitize the air you breathe.
Ang halaman, kapag bagong tanim ito, ang kailangan niya ay protein or nitrogen.
And can possibly give you an extra income.
So, nakakatipid na sila mismo yung gumagawa at makakapagbenta pa rin.
Join her as she leads the brigade with other garden enthusiasts
Gardening na in-start mo when you were 9 years old.
in Going Green.
Hello mga kapitbahay, this is Cynthia Tizon and welcome to Going Green, where you can learn a lot from the world of gardening and farming. In this season of Going Green, we will also bring to you the different crops, technologies, and processing. And the best way to know about this is through the help of different institutions and the experienced experts in their own field. And in this special episode, mga kapitbahay, we are here at the Rainforest Kitchen in Greenfield Square, Sindalan City of San Fernando, Pampanga. And to join us today in this eco-friendly restaurant is the proprietor of the Rainforest Kitchen, none other than Chef Vince Garcia.
Hello,
Chef
Miss
Vince.
Incha. Hello, ating mga kapitbahay na nanonood ng Going Green.
So thank you for lending me this outfit.
Bagay naman.
Chef Vince, let's talk about you muna.
Me?
And later, about the restaurant. And may demo tayo, di ba?
Sure.
Yeah, so let's talk about you. Paano ba yung iyong younger years, younger days?
Okay, so I started at the age of grade 5. I used to work as a ball boy for almost 8 years just to finish my elementary and high school education. My mom, she's a fishbowl vendor. My dad is a hollow maker. So, in the
Hollow
afternoon,
maker, ano yun?
social version ng tagagawa ng hollow blocks.
Ah, okay.
That's the English term. And the afternoon, I sell some pellet pepper to Carioca, native Kapampangan merienda, just to sustain my education. So, after graduate from my high school education, I used to work as a waiter sa Chinese restaurant for almost 2 years. Again, just to finish my college education. And I got a scholarship from the Systems Class College Foundation. Then, full scholarship as a varsity ng tennis.
Wow. So, talagang ang iyong background is you started so young at challenging ang iyong childhood, ano?
Yeah.
And later on, talagang sa food business ka na kasi andun yung vendor
Yes.
on sa Carioca.
Yeah,
Sarap
we have to kasi we need to help yung family ko because yun nga, I'm very unfortunate kami when it comes to financial concern. So, we are 5 and we need to work at a young age for us to survive. Parang survival kasi ang term niya.
Ganun ba? Kaya, very touching talaga.
Yes. And also, what I did is to encourage other people that nothing is impossible.
Inspiring ang iyong story.
Inspiring and challenging.
Inspiring and challenging. Yun naman ang kailangan natin kasi ang mga kapitbahay, there are other kapitbahays na medyo siguro ang tingin nila sa sarili, parang hopeless sila because of their financial concerns, medyo hirap. Pero there is so much hope with your story.
Yes, kaya yun ang magiging parang should I say, magiging challenge, magiging hakbang mo to grow.
Yes.
Parang, of course, and learn from your experience. And that experience make you strong.
Yes, at doon ko tumatag, no?
Yes.
And you went so far na. No? Later we'll talk about the restaurant. Okay. So, ang iyong college education is, anong natapos mong course?
I'm a graduate of BS HRM at Systems Plus College Foundation. My diploma at Lyceum of the Philippines University for my bakery, boulangerie and patisserie. For my short
Ano
courses.
yun? Anong tawag sa... Anong
Boulangerie and patisserie.
Ano is chef? Is that French word?
Yeah.
Boulangerie?
We make breads and of course pastries.
Okay.
And for my short courses, I took Asian cuisine at International School Culinary Arts Management, HCAM, and some of baking classes at Hennessy Culinary School.
Oo. Ano yung dito, dun sa, of course, dun sa research na ginawa ng ating producer, meron kang lifestyle classes. Ano yun? Ibig sabihin ng lifestyle classes?
What do you mean?
lifestyle
mag-offer ako.
classes na in-undergo mo?
Yes. Pero tapos na yung mga yun.
Oo.
Tinapos ko siya, una kasi, sa mga iba't ibang schools. Of course, meron kasing school na nag-offer na one-day class na that you can learn yung mga... Kasi since we're not into basic na, I'm not into basic, so nandun
Oo.
ako sa actual
Advanced ka na.
So,
Oo.
tinake ko yun just to add more knowledge in my field.
Oo.
To learn more from these big people.
Oo. So, ang dami mo na palang education or ang dami mo ng classes na inattend in order for you to enhance your
Yes.
craft now as a chef.
Kailangan kasi because yung trend ngayon nagbabago, especially sa food industry. Every now and then, may mga changes. Yun.
That's nice. Alam mo, chef, we've been friends matagal na, no? Suke.
Suke.
You're my suke. And alam mo, ang nakita ko sa'yo, you're so friendly. Is that one of your attitude talaga? You grew with people kasi,
That's
you were
my
into
normal.
business talaga when you were young. Kaya na-develop ba yun? Or
Yes.
medyo mahihain ka before and then because of your experience sa pag-sell ay naging outgoing ka and friendly?
Ay, hindi ko wala na akong hiya talaga. Bata pa ako, wala na akong hiya. Kasi when you're selling a product, it should not, parang hindi ka dapat mahiya. And you should know what is your product. So, diba? Pag mahiya ka, pag yung product mo hindi siya quality, hindi siya pumasa sa'yo, yun doon ka lang mag-hesitate na magkaroon ng kumpiyansa.
Now you're telling us na kailangan the product that you're selling is talagang quality and you believe in the product.
Yes.
Kaya meron kang lakas ng loob.
It's not like that actually. That's already my personality since nung bata pa ako. I love talking to other people. Medyo madaldal talaga. And also, that's one thing na nag-boost ng kumpiyansa ko just to talk with these big people. Not only to big people, I learn from different people kasi different personality. Being a cook, it doesn't mean you know everything. You should learn from different people.
Oo. So ano yung mga experiences mo ngayon? After graduation, after taking up all this extra classes, ano yung work experience mo?
Ngayon, I learn a lot kasi Rainforest Kitchen is not all about cooking. I learned from sa management side. I have 12 employees already, but I still have mag-open pa ako na isang restaurant, the Velvet Ganache. But of course, yung natutunan ko is not about cooking. Yung how to deal with my people. Your people is the key.
Yes, they're their asset, no?
Yeah, asset ko sila. So of course, I have to value each one of them because lahat sila may kanya-kanya characteristic. That will help me a lot kasi I cannot survive alone.
Oo. So, saan mo natutunan ito? Yung mga ganyan sa management?
Work in progress. Every day kasi it's a process of learning. So, hindi naman siya totally na pag nag-aral ka sa kahit anong university pa, na according to the book, it should be like this. Pero ako kasi, the best way to learn is yung daily.
Oo.
Kasi,
as you experience, no?
Daily yung mga tao.
Scenarios,
how to solve this case.
attitude, mga tao, ganoon.
Yung emotions mo, you have to remove from the job.
Hindi ka masyadong emotional.
Pero emotionally ako before, but I learned a lot. You have to
Now you are more cerebral or talagang thinking na, no?
thinking. So, nasa accounting side naman ako ngayon, managerial side. So, hindi ka lang kusinero ngayon. Overall ka naman ngayon.
So, chef, after ng graduation, syempre nag-OJT ka, tapos you were employed. Ganun din ba? Or you started with Rainforest ka agad?
No, ang ginawa ko is I graduated, then nag-work ako sa hotel for 2 years. Then while working in the hotel, nag-aaral ako sa Manila.
Sa hotel, sa kitchen ka na rin ba?
Kitchen ako. So I get this 1,100 OJT. Sabi ko, this is what I am. I like working in this kitchen. Kasi people are very tensionado.
Sa pagdating sa work sa kitchen?
Yes, because
Nagmamadali
lahat work very precise sa oras. Kaya sa mga team ko, sa mga employees ko, very precise ako sa oras. So, I hate, the term is ganun, pero I don't like people late, especially sa mga tao ko. Kaya makikita mo sa dito, walang nalilate sa mga...
Walang nalilate.
Kasi very specific ako sa oras sa mga tao dito. So, ganun yung natutunan ko siguro sa hotel. Kasi pag sinabi ng 5 o'clock, marelease ang pagkain. 5 o'clock, marelease ang pagkain. And people are very tensionado kasi they're from different region. So sa Bisaya, Kapampangan, etc. So the way they cook is parang iba-iba. So napaka-tension na nila, mainit ang ulo ng iba. But ako naman happy-go-lucky.
Happy-go-lucky. Yun nga ang maganda kasi relax din ang
Chill
mood sa kitchen kasi madali kang you're so flexible when it comes to dealing with people.
Kasi our Rainforest Kitchen is not all about cooking. I go out, talk to my guests. I learn a lot from my mentor, Chef Lito Montero, that if you're cooking 300 packs, 500 packs, wala namang pinagkaiba yan sa 10 packs. So you just...
Pareho lang ang quality, whether you cook for 10 people or 100 people, gano'n.
The same also yung kanya parang timing. Just natuto ko magluto na naglalakad lang. Basta may music. Ganun.
Ay, gano'n. Oh, very light. Kaya magaan ang pakikipagtrabaho sa iyo, no?
Yes. Hindi nga ako toxic. Toxic ba ako?
Yun ang maganda. Alam mo, pagka ang boss mo, relax siya, yung pagtatrabaho, napakagaan.
Itanong natin mamaya sa mga employee.
Interviewin natin sila kung tama ba ito. Okay, Chef, we need to pause for a short reminder. Mga kapitbahay, magbabalik lamang kami pagkatapos ng ilang paalala.